I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check the OS version and security patch level so you know what protections exist. Then back up your data and enable device encryption. This prevents accidental data loss while you change settings. Once done, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to reduce external noise while you test. Make sure to have a charged battery and, if possible, a secondary phone to compare behavior. This speeds troubleshooting and shows what counts as normal activity. You now audit app permissions to see who can access location, microphone, camera, and background data. This tells you what each app can do. Next, check active network connections and VPN status so you understand where traffic is routed and whether DNS leaks occur. Also review installed apps. Remove unknown or unused ones and note battery hogs because excessive background activity often signals privacy leaks. While doing this, run a quick traffic monitor or network log to capture suspicious outbound. You finish by hardening the device. Enable 2FA, set a strong passcode, limit biometrics, and shorten auto lock time. These reduce unauthorized access risk. Update all apps and the OS to close known holes. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a factory reset after backing up. Make sure to recheck permissions after reinstalling apps. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate whether a third-party app causes the issue. This single step often reveals the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.